Access granted. In late March, multiple people from multiple states reported seeing giant cylinder UFOs in the sky. Reports swept into MUFON.
What is that?
What is that? I'm videoing it.
Yeah, me too. What is that?
I'm trying to zoom in as much as I can.
Bro.
What is that, dude? That ain't normal.
That's fucking huge. Whatever the fuck that is, bro, that is fucking huge.
Dude, that's big. I want to keep recording. I've never seen anything like that in my life.
Not that, no, bro.
Dude, that's some cool shit right there. That's, I think, what you consider a UFO. It's not identifiable. What the heck is it?
Dude, that's trippy as
Falcon 9, Starlink LDs go for launch.
As it turns out, upon further investigations, these were simply SpaceX's Starlink satellites being launched into space for the worldwide internet project. You can count on MUFON to give you the truth about what is happening in the sky. Don't forget to visit MUFON on our YouTube channel and MUFON Television at MUFONTelevision.com.
Dude, that's trippy as